Welcome to qnawire.
So it states that it's talking about crime data in the 50 US cities. And so it has 7 columns. And this is, I know that you're familiar with what each column represents. So the question is, does a linear relationship exist between X3 and X2? So I'm going to highlight both of these and I'm going to insert a scatter plot. And if I add in a trend line, I would say that no, it's definitely a weak positive relationship between the two. I'm just going to highlight this and make it bigger so that way you can see the data. So I would say no, a linear relationship does not exist between the data. And this is X2 and X3. So X2 and X3. Okay. And X2 is your x-axis and X3 is your y-axis. Then it wants to know if a linear relationship exists between X3 and X1. So if I move this data over, cancel, I'm going to insert. So I'm going to move this over. And so I'm going to insert a scatter plot. And it's X1 and X3. Oops. And if I insert a trend line, and so I'm going to make this bigger. And I have the R squared data. I mean, this is X1 and X3 are closer to the line, so it is more linear, but I would say X2 and X3 is not so much. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.